Delhi too. ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ವೀಕಲ್ಲಿ
ಯಾವಾಗ ನಿನ್ನ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ
ಅಲ್ಲವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಕಲರ್ ಇದು ಏನು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ. ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ನಿಸರ್ಗ, ನೇತ್ರಾವತಿ, ಕುಶಾಲ್. ಗುಡ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಕುಶಾಲ್. ಓಕೆ ಆ್ಯನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಡೇ ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್? ಗ್ರೇಟ್. Okay. We will start then. We will not wait then. We will quickly start. Every year they do annual day, or 2 years once, 5 years once, how it is? Because some school do 5 years once, 2 years once, like that. Every year they do. So 2 years once like that and all they do. Then what about you people? Nisarga. Okay, no problem. Let's start Nisarga then. Ah, okay. Good evening, Jivita. So, okay, Kushal, you are 10th standard or how it is? Netravati is Netravati is your sister, right? Or you only? This is your mother's account. It is. Great fan of me. Thank you so much. Am I visible? Is my face visible? Didn't change anything. Video capture. Yes, everything is fine. So we have a question from section formula. Okay, y-axis divides the line segment. Y-axis divides line segment. I just write ls. Joining the points minus 6 comma 2 and 2 comma minus 6. In the ratio, they are asking you to find the ratio. In what ratio? In the ratio question mark. The ratio is question mark. So we need to use a section formula for this first of all, right? First you mark these points, like say for example minus 6 comma 2 and 2 comma minus 6 as x1 y1 x2 y2 first. This is x1 y1 and here we have x2 y2. You have to get it marked like this. Now you see they say y-axis divides the line segment. So y-axis is dividing the line segment. Therefore coordinate points are 0 comma y. Why 0 comma y? Because y-axis divides the line segment. Means y-axis is coming into picture, right? Since y-axis is coming into picture, we need to take y as y only, and this x-axis will be 0. Okay, in the ratio m is to 1. let's take the ratio as m is to n. So we know the section formula, right? mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus 1 m plus n, or some people use it in a different way also. Anyway you can use. So what is that equal to? Coordinate points you have to equate to the formula. These are the coordinate points 0 comma y here, because y axis divides the line. So that I will equate it to the formula first. mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. This is x coordinate. Then like this only we have to write for y coordinate. my2 ny1 divided by m plus n. This is the formula. Okay. Now whatever numbers we have here, minus 6 to 2 minus 6, all this we need to substitute here. And we are going to find m and n, right? So when we are finding m and n, we need to keep m and n as m and n only, okay, because we need to get those answers, right? Now first see, simple it is. What you have to do always, which is your x coordinate, this one is your x coordinate in the formula. This whole thing is x coordinate. This x coordinate you will equate to the 0 here, because here this is x coordinate. So x should be equated and y should be equated. So this is y part in the formula. This whole part is called as y part. This should be equated to y coordinate here. This is how you need to remember, okay? X equal to x, y equal to y. That's how you will do. So now let's equate like this. So what will happen? First thing, we'll substitute these values first. 0 comma y, or you can equate directly. 0 equal to m, what is x2? 2 plus n x1 minus 6. Be careful, take time, but do it properly. M plus n. Correct. Now here we will have 2m minus 6n, and this m plus n comes here and get multiplied, becomes 0 completely. So from here I have 2m minus 6n equal to 0. This I got. Then if you equate, what will happen? 2m will be equal to 6n. Then what will happen to m by n? M by n will be 6 by 2. Just shifting. N comes this side, 2 goes that side. 2 ones are, 2 threes are. So 3 by 1. Then the ratio is 3 is to 1. 3 by 1 means 3 is to 1. That's it. Very simple. Okay. Now see, if you take y also, this part also, y part, this part also, same answer you will get. So no need to take. Why I selected x part only? Because x value I have here 0. If you take y part, again you are equating to y only, right? Answer will not come, because these are all variables. So you have to select for which axis you have a value. If you have for x axis, select x coordinate. If you have for y axis, then select y coordinate. That's very simple question. Section formula. Okay, let's take next one. This is from circles. I have a circle and two tangents have gone like this, and we have a triangle inside it like this. Okay, this is Q, this is O, and this is R, and here T. This angle is given 50. They are asking you to find out QTR. They are asking you to find out what? QTR. This angle they are asking you to find out. First of all, you should understand there is a theorem. The angle subtended at the circumference means the angle which is there at the boundary here, whatever angle will be here, no, at the boundary subtended at the circumference. Here, this angle will be half of the angle at the center. Angle at center. Half of angle at center. Now which is the angle at center? Here is the angle which is at center. What you call that as? QOR. Start from here. QOR. That means QTR should be half of QOR. Half of QOR. Now how to find out QOR is the first question. If you get QOR, then very easily you will just take a half of that and over, finish. QOR, look at this complete figure. How many sides this complete figure has? The shaded one. 4 sides it has. 1, 2, and this one is 3, and here there is one more 4. It has 4 sides. That means it is a quadrilateral. In quadrilateral, we know sum of 4 angles will be equal to 360 degree. Quadrilateral, sum of 4 angles equal to 360 degree. Okay. Now which are the angles? This 50 is the first angle, take that, plus here there is an angle which is not given, but you need to understand this is 90 here. This Q angle, Q, here I am talking about here. And this R is also 90. This one. Why these are 90? Because tangent and radius, wherever they meet, they make 90 degree angle. Tangent and radius, when they meet, they make a 90 degree angle. That means another 2 angles are 90 plus 90. Then remaining angle is that QOR, center angle, equal to 360. Just add this, 180, 230. QOR is equal to 360 minus 230. 230, which is 130. Now we don't want only QOR, we want QTR. So half of 130 is 65 degrees the right answer. 65 degrees the right answer. Correct? Correct, Nisarga? Okay, next one. Next one is pair of linear equations. X plus 2y linear equations. Minus 5 equal to 0 and 2x minus 4y plus 6 equal to 0 has or have what solution? Unique, many, okay, unique or many, 2 options. So how to get to know? For we have 3 conditions, right? Let's check for unique first. What is the condition for unique? A1 by A2 should not be equal to B1 by B2. This is condition for unique solution. Let's check for unique first, then we'll go for many. If this is true, then we'll stop here only. So now I want A1, A2, B1, B2. So my A1 is 1, my B1 is 2, my A2 is 2, my B2 is minus 4. Just put this and see. A1 by A2, 1 by 2 and minus B1 is A1 by A2, 1 by 2. b1, where is b1? 2, b1 by b2. Okay, here I am getting half and here I am getting minus half, means not equal, therefore unique solution. One question will definitely come from consistency, these three conditions. One question for sure, no doubt, definitely it will come. This very important topic. Which of the following, next question, which of the following cannot be a probability? Which of the following cannot be a probability? 0.5, 5%, 1 by 0.5, and fourth option is 0.5 by 14. Yes, can anyone answer this? Which of the following cannot be a probability? First, you need to understand probability lies between 0 and 1. Means the probability lies between 0 and 1. So, and it cannot be negative. Okay. First of all, probability cannot be negative. See there, it lies between 0 and 1. It should be within these values only. Now, whatever is within these values will be probability. Whichever is not there in these values will not be. So, this is there. 5% means 5 by 100, which is 0.05. Again, this is also existing between this limit. 1 by 0.5 means this is also existing actually. 1 divided by 1 by 2. That is 1 divided by half. This is also there because we are dividing a bigger number by, that will be half actually, 0.5. This will be just a 0.5, that's all. So this will also be there. Now if all these three are there, then fourth will be the right option. So remember, probability should be between 0 and 1 always. How many zeros are there in the given figure? How many zeros are there in this given figure? How many zeros are there? How many zeros? Zeros equal to question mark. Zeros equal to question mark. Zeros. How many are there zeros? Polynomial chapter, sir, it's option 3. Correct. Yes, option 3 is giving 2. 1 by 0.5. So that is 1 by 1 by 2, which becomes 2. So option 3 is correct. Yes, correct. And 0 point divided by 14 will be very small number. We are dividing 0.5 14 times. 14 times if you break this becomes very small. So this is also probability. Third option will be correct. Now in this, how many zeros are there? One question will come like this. They will give a graph and they will ask you zeros. So here we have 2 zeros, correct? Why 2 zeros? Because this graph is intersecting x-axis at 2 different points, here and here. So this is 1 0 and this is 1 0. So total zeros here are 2. This is also important topic. These are all topics from where the questions will 100% come. Okay, so here we have one question from volume surface area. Solid is of the form of cone of radius equal to r, surmounted on hemisphere of the same radius, hemisphere of same radius. If the height of the cone is same as the diameter, diameter of its base, then the volume of solid, question mark, formula, volume of solid, this solid formula. See, cone is surmounted by hemisphere. A solid is of the form cone of radius r, surmounted on a hemisphere. That means you have figure like this. This is hemisphere and cone is surmounted on it. Like this the figure is. Now what will be the formula? First let's write volume of cone formula. Volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Volume of cone plus volume of hemi. What is volume of cone given by? 1 by 3 pi r square h. Volume of cone. And what is volume of hemisphere? 2 by 3 pi r cube. 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now the twist is here now. Height they have given, and they said height of the cone is same as diameter of its base. Height is equal to diameter. That means height is equal to 2 into r. Why 2 into r? Diameter means what? 2 times radius. Therefore I will put here 1 by 3 pi r square 2r I will put here, plus this will be 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now look at this. This also, this complete thing will become 2 by 3 pi r cube only. And this side also I have 2 by 3 pi r cube. Correct? So total we will have 4 by 3 pi r cube. I just need to add them. 2 by 3, 2 by 3. 2 by 3, 2 by 3 will be 4 by 3. 3 and 4. 4 by 3 pi r cube. This good question. So you need to, here is the twist. Height equal to dia he gave, and dia should be 2 times the radius. Let's take next one. Now assertion type question is there here. Assertion reason type. Good evening, Janvi. Where were you? Assertion reason type question. Okay. So assertion is assertion A. The probability of getting a prime number when a die is thrown. Once is 2 by 3. Reason: on the faces of die, prime numbers are 2 comma 3 comma 5. Prime numbers are 2 comma 3 comma 5. Okay, no problem. Yes, so this is assertion and this is reason. You need to tell whether assertion is true or not. If it is true, then whether this reason is true or not. There will be 4 options given in the question paper. You might have seen in Sahodaya exam, right? So you have to just tick the select the right one there. So for that you need to solve these two, then you will get to know. Now on the faces of die, prime numbers are 2 comma 3 comma 5. This is true, right? This is true, because on die we have prime numbers 2 3 5 only. Die means what? It will have 6 faces, 1 2 3 4 5 6. In this the prime are 2 3 5. One is not a prime, never a composite. Okay, so this is true, reason is true. Let's see the this here assertion. The probability of getting a prime number when a die is thrown once, 2 by 3. This is wrong. It cannot be 2 by 3. It should be 3 by 6, which is 1 by 2. If this answer would have been 1 by 2, then both are true. Now assertion is false and reason is true. Reason is true. Okay, next assertion question. Polynomial, this is assertion. Okay, polynomial x square plus 4x has two real zeros. Reason: zeros of the polynomial x square plus ax, a not equal to 0, are 0 and a. So which is correct and which is not correct? Polynomial x square plus 4x has two real zeros, it says. So polynomial chapter already I have finished, right? If you have watched how to find the zeros, just write x square plus 4x equal to 0. Then take x comma here, common x, this will be x equal to 0 and x equal to minus 4. These are the two zeros which you are getting. Correct? That means it has two real zeros. These are two real zeros only, these are. That means this is true. A is true, R is false. Okay, let's see what is R. R is zeros of the polynomial x square plus ax, x comma x plus a equal to 0. So x 0, x equal to minus a, it will come. They have given you 0 and a, not minus a. Therefore I can say this is false. So assertion is true, reason is false. Okay, now we'll solve 2 marks questions. These are all multiple choice and assertion got over. 20 questions done. Now we will solve 2 marks questions. If minus 3 is one of the 0, see, I will tell you, from polynomial don't study anything other than those graphs, 1, and second, how to find zeros of the polynomial, and verifying the relation between coefficients and zeros, verification, and forming a quadratic polynomial using the zeros. Iste, I think 6 marks will come from this chapter. 6 marks, very very easy. I'm going to make one video on how many marks will come and which topics to study. Maybe tomorrow I will upload, today night I will record it, so you can refer to that and just study those things. 100 out of 100, see, you can easily score 100 out of 100, believe me and believe yourself. 100 out of 100. See, you people, once you, I will just do, record that video. After you watch that, you need to take that video very seriously and start, take a screenshot, or you can ask me a document to send it to you. Whatever topics I will be going to explaining in the video, right, in that video, do questions from those topics again and again. You should never go wrong in those topics. If anything new comes and all, it's okay, maybe you may lose 1 or 2 marks, but you will get 78 marks, right? That means you scored 98% in mathematics. Getting 100 is in your hand, you can do that. So just think that you will get 100 first. Start thinking, then automatically things will come. Okay, let's get back to this question. If minus 3 is one of the zeros of the polynomial of the polynomial k minus 1 the whole square x plus kx plus 1, find k. That's the question. Find k. So how will you do this? Look at this, 1 0 is given to you. If minus 3 is one of the polynomials, one of the zeros it is, okay, one of the zeros of the polynomial, it is one of the zero. That means what? In this quadratic polynomial, you have to put minus 3 wherever x is there. You have to put minus 3 wherever x is there. That's the meaning. So take that k minus 1 into x square means minus 3 square plus k into minus 3 plus 1 equal to 0. So if they give you 0, then substitute that number in place of x in your quadratic polynomial. Very simple. Okay. Now k minus 1 into 9 minus 3k plus 1 equal to 0. Multiply this 9k minus 9 minus 3k plus 1 equal to 0. 9k minus 3k equal to 9 minus 1 8. 9k minus 3k 6k. What is k? 8 by 6. What is 8 by 6? 2 4s are 2 3s are. 4 by 3 should be the answer. Very good, Nisarga. 4 by 3. See how simple, and look at the marks. 2 marks question it is. How simple it is. Now tell me, why can't you score 100? Why can't you score 100? So simple question it is. Next, this is also again one more very simple question for 2 marks. A box contains 90 discs numbered from 1 to 90. Numbered from 1 to 90. Numbered from 1 to 90. If one disc is drawn at random, one disc picked, drawn means picking, picked randomly. Let's reduce the words. Randomly Find the probability that it bears multiple of 15. Probability of multiples of 15. Probability of multiples of 15 is the question mark. Come on, do it. Let's see. First, how many discs are there? 90 discs. Means total is 90. Total here is 90. Numbered from 1 to 19. So numbered is 1 to 19. In 1 to 19, just count the multiples of 15. What are multiples of 15? 15th table. Simple. 15th table is multiples of 15. So 15, 30, 45, 60, 75. Last one. And 90. Very simple. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 out of what? 6 out of total. How many total? 6 out of 90. So probability of multiples of 15 equal to 6 by 90. 2 3s are 2 45s are, or 1 by 15. So simple, man. Damn easy. This the 2 marks question. Look at this. You people will always say maths is tough. Where it is tough? ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತವೆ. ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ. That's it. 1 by 15, correct. Okay, next from real numbers. Real numbers. Find the HCF of 540, 630 using factorization method. Using factorization method. Using factorization method. And whenever I say it's damn easy, all that, don't get irritated. I will be telling this. I want you get motivated and work hard on the tough things also. There are tough questions also. I am not kidding. Why I will be telling damn easy, ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ and all. I want you to get motivated. Means don't worry about difficult things. Fight against them. Okay, 540, 630 HCF. HCF only, right? Find HCF. Yes, find HCF only. Prime factorization method. Prime factorization means you need to reduce this 540 and 630 using prime numbers only. That's why it is called as prime factorization method. Or simply sometimes it is also called as only factorization. If in the question they have given you only factorization also, you need to understand by default it is prime factorization only. Okay, so reduce it. Can I start from 2? I have already told you this. Always start from 2. Yes, Nisarga, correct. Both of you correct. Then I need not do anything here. Let's go to next question. ನಾನಿಲ್ಲೇ ಭಾಷಣ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಕೂತೆ, ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರೇ ಹೇಳಿಬಿಟ್ರಿ. ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಗ್ರೇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಶೋ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ this type of question is also very important. 15 to the power n cannot end with digit 0 for any natural number n. For any natural number n, show that. Now this type of questions will be like, you people show that, prove that anta bandre tale keduttallva nimgeಲ್ಲ. Any natural number n, show that, prove that ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಬಂದರೆ ತಲೆ ಕೆಟ್ಟೆ ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನನಗೂ ಕೆಡ್ತಿತ್ತು 10th ಇದ್ದಾಗ. ಈ ಶೋ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಸಾಕು ನನಗೆ, ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಐ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಆಸ್ಕ್. ಬಟ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ಲೇಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ. So how will you do? See, this 15, if you split this, Correct. I have to show this cannot end with 3 5 and doesn't contain 2 into 5. Correct. That's the reason. So first step is, see, if the 15 to the power will be ending with 0 if it is multiplied like this and gotten. If you get 2's and 5's, see, there is a, if you get only 2's also ends with 0, only 5's only 5's also ends with 0. Okay, combination of 2 and 5 also ends with 0. Other than this, if you get anything, it will not end with 0. Remember this. Okay, so now 15 is what? 3 into 5. Is it only 5? No. Is it only 2? No. Is it combination of 2 and 5? No. Then what is it? It's combination of 3 and 5. Don't think that, sir, 5 is there. No, it should be only 5, or it should be only 2, or if it is coming in a combination form, then it should come with 2. It should not come with anybody else other than 2. Then only we will say. So I think this much explanation is enough, or you want me to show it stepwise? Enough this much explanation? In exam you need to do it properly, okay? Only 5, see, 50 by 5, 5 ones are 5 tens are ending with 0, right? Only 2, see, 20, 2 ones are 2 tens are ending with 0, right? In fifth and second table we have 1 followed by zeros numbers, so that will also be considered. Or you can consider the combination. So 2 into 5 is the combination which is needed for the number to end with 0. If 3 into 5 is coming, then no. So take it as a combination then. Okay, take it as combination, no problem. Combination of 2 and 5. Combination of 2 and 5. These, without dividing a number, you can say whether it will have, without dividing, you will be able to say whether the number has terminating decimal expansion or not. Terminating or not. Without dividing, terminating or not, you will be able to tell. That time the number should have only 5 or only 2 or combination of 2 and 5. If you have anything like this in the denominator, then that no need to divide. You can directly say it is terminating. These are all terminating. If anything else, then you have to divide and see whether it terminates or not. But if you have these 3 combinations, then directly you can say terminates. Next question. Find the value of x. Find x. This is from coordinate geometry, distance formula. For sure question will come on distance formula or section formula. Distance formula 95% chance. Find the value of x, find x, so that PQ is equal to QR. PQ is equal to QR and coordinates are given. P is 6 comma minus 1, Q is 1 comma 3 and R is x comma 8. X comma 8. You need to find this x value. So distance between 2 points you need to use. What's the formula? Distance formula. x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Use this formula. This is distance formula. Distance between any point. PQ equal to QR they have given, no? Just put these numbers wherever you have it. Suppose if you are taking these two, PQ you take, P will become x1 y1, P x1 y1 and Q x2 y2. So if you substitute, what will happen here? 1 minus 6 the whole square plus 3 plus 1 the whole square. 3 plus 1 the whole square. Minus of minus will become plus. So here I have 25. First number will be 25. 1 minus 6 is 5 minus 5 square and this is 16. We have 41. So PQ square will be what? 41. PQ is root 41. PQ square will be what? 41. PQ square, PQ and QR are both equal, right? So PQ square will be equal to what? QR square. PQ and QR both are equal. So PQ square will be equal to what? QR square. Till here you have to do. In the next step you will get the x value. Now take a QR square. Where is the board, man? QR square. What is QR square now? Same distance formula only this is. I am writing square. That means I will not write a square root here. I will not write square root there. Same distance formula I am writing. Again x2 minus x1, that only. So x minus 1 the whole square plus 25. Because what were the points of Q and R? The points of Q are what? Q13x8, 13x8, 13x8. So x minus 1 the whole square. Keep like this only. Then 8 minus 3 the whole square. What is 8 minus 3? 5. And what is 5 square? 25. So here I have 25. Now QR square you have number, right? How much you got? 41. Look here, QR square is 41. Substitute that here. Then expand this using a minus b the whole square formula. X square plus 1 square minus 2x plus 25. Shift plus 25 here. 41 minus 25. Shift this 1 also here. Minus 1 equal to x square minus 2x. What is this now? 41 minus 26, 15. Is it not 15? 15. Take this 15 that side directly. 15 equal to x square minus 2x. Correct. So I'll take 15 this side. Quadratic equation. X square minus 2x minus 15 equal to 0. Multiply, get minus 15. Add or subtract, get minus 2. Which is the number? 5 3s are 15 minus 5 plus 3. If minus 5 plus 3 is there, then I will get x equal to 5 or I will get x equal to minus 3. These are my x values. 5 comma minus 3. Yes, these are my x values. So what and all we did in this question? Distance formula. First we found out PQ square and equated it to QR square. Then we used QR square distance formula and we got our x value. So distance formula is used 2 times here. Yes. Next one. The vertices of triangle are vertices. This type of questions only will get. Vertices of triangle are minus 2 comma 0. Area of triangle is there, right? 2 comma 3 and 1 comma minus 3, or only distance formula, those things. Here also we use that same thing only. Vertices of triangle are these. You have to say, is the triangle equilateral, isosceles, or scalene. Okay, if it's not there, then leave it. Yes, only distance formula and section formula till there. This area of triangle thing and all is removed. Okay, we finished our 2 marks questions. Now we will move on to 3 marks questions. Yes. Wait, I will check once again if you have a doubt, because Janvi is saying it is there. Even I won't remember what is there, what is not there. I will be doing everything. Coordinate geometry, right? Area of triangle deleted. Yes, area of triangle is deleted. Area of triangle. No, the question was completely about area of triangle, Janvi. They were asking, is the triangle scalene, equilateral, or isosceles? That's why I asked the area of triangle is there or not. So that is deleted actually. In coordinate geometry, you don't have area of quadrilateral, then you don't have area of triangle. Finding ratio is there. We did one question, Janvi, before you joined. Finding ratio, m is to n, using that section formula, that is there. So this area of quadrilateral, area of triangle, both are not there. Distance formula only we will use here actually to answer whether this question, right, whether the triangle is equilateral, isosceles or not. Here we will use distance formula only. So the vertices are minus 2 comma 0 and 2 comma 3 and 1 comma minus 3. So we will use distance formula and we will say whether the triangle is equilateral or scalene or isosceles. Okay, suppose if they ask you find area of triangle and all, that's such type of questions won't come. Portion is not there, it is deleted. So use 3 times a, this is a coordinate, this is b coordinate, this is c coordinate. You need to do ab, you need to do bc, and you need to do ca. 3 marks question this is. ab, bc, ca, and you have to observe the answers. If you get all 3 equal answers, then it is equilateral. If you get different, all 3 different, then it is scalene. If you get any 2 answers equal and third answer different, 2 equal, that is isosceles. 3 marks question, that's why you have to do 3 combinations, ab, bc, ca, 3 sides. So what is ab? See, always keep the points one below the other. See, like this, a minus 2 comma 0, b 2 comma 3, like this. And while taking, what you do, take this first, the b1 first, then the this a1. Keep one below the other. You will not have a confusion in selecting which is x1, which is y1 and all. Simply keep one below the other. The below one first you take and the upper one next. I mean to say 2 minus of minus 2 whole square. This is very simple. Another one is 3 minus 0 whole square. So this will be what? 4 square 16 and 9 25. That means 5 I am getting. See how simple it is. One below the other. Now BC we want, right? So B I have written already here. C I will write 1 comma minus 3. Now I will simply write 1 minus 2 the whole square plus minus 3 whole square. Very simple. So very simple it is. Now 1 minus 2 whole square means 1 minus 3 minus 6 and 36. So root 37 is the answer. Got it? Now CA, right? CA. So C first, 1 comma minus 3, then comes A. CA you are doing minus 2 comma 0. So take the A coordinate first always. In area related circles in Savodaya, they have asked a deleted portion, sir. That is Karnataka actually. That is Karnataka. Don't worry. Things happens like that. Things happen. It's scalene triangle. Correct. It is scalene triangle. All the 3 answers will come different. So minus 2 minus 1 whole square plus 0 plus 3 whole square. So both root 18. Okay. Scalene triangle. Yes. Scalene triangle. So here in this like I don't know like how you used to keep the coordinate points. So I recommend keeping one below the other like this. Within 1 minute you can solve this question. If you write one beside the other, no, like this, if you write one beside the other, there is a chance that you will take wrong numbers. You will select wrong coordinates. There is a chance. Okay. So keep one below the other. Yes sir, even in CBSE practice paper they have given area of triangle question in case study. Now that I should say it is India. Don't worry. Okay, if anything comes out of the syllabus in final exam, then you will be given grace marks. Don't worry. ಇದೊಂದು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಹೆಡ್ಡೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಭಯ ಹುಟ್ಟಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಏನೇನೋ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಾವು ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ, ಅವರು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಪಾರ್ಸಲ್. ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ like this mistake should not happen actually, but God knows. Correct. Should we practice or what, sir? I'm in doubt. out of portion don't study. Out of portion don't study. Okay, whatever is there for the portion, that only you study that. If they give anything out of, then you will have a right to claim the marks. You will be given extra marks. Basis of rhombus. Okay, one more question for 3 marks. Like this only. Show that points A minus 3 comma 2, B minus 5 comma minus 5, and C 2 comma minus 3, D 4 comma 4. Show that these are the vertices of rhombus. Okay, start doing the question. I'll see time, in how many minutes you will solve this. It is 10:09 now here. In Rajajinagar it is 10:09. 10:09 it is. Let's see how many minutes it will take. Keep one below the other immediately. AB, BC, CD, DA. Do this. Just if you get all the answers same, it is rhombus, because rhombus has all the 4 sides equal. Keep one below the other. A, B, C, D. Keep like this. Then again repeat A here, because last you will do A, right? DA. Repeat A. A minus 3 2. B minus 5 minus 5. Distance formula, just use it. Minus 5 plus 3 whole square plus minus 5 minus 2 whole square, minus 2 square minus 7 square. ಎಷ್ಟಿದು 449 53 root 53. Like this. Do immediately. Let's see. 10 9 10 10 10 10 now. 10 10 it is. Okay, diagonal. Find out diagonal. Sides are same. Rhombus should have diagonals also equal. Diagonals. These diagonals also. For that you should name A, B, C, D like this. So diagonals are AC and DC, DB. AC, DB. What are the diagonals? Tell me. But last side root 5 No, all 3 sides are root 53 only. Root 53 is correct. Diagonals should be equal now. Diagonals 4 9 62. AC root 50. AC root 50. Break it. 25 into 2. How to break? I will tell you. See, whenever you have non-perfect square inside, break it as one perfect square into one non-perfect square. So 25 to 5 root 2 this will be. 162 means how will you break? 81 into 2. One perfect square and one non-perfect square. 9 root 2. Diagonals are not equal. Correct. So this means ABCD is what? ABCD is a quadrilateral with four sides equal. Four sides equal. So we can write it as rhombus, no problem. We can write it as rhombus. We can write it as rhombus. Why? Because see, he told show that, right? This is the hint, remember. Show that means answer is there only. You just need to show. He is telling it is rhombus. He want you to show it. Okay, just do it and finally write ABCDs. Mainly see these sides. AB, BC, CD, DA. If the sides are equal, then done. ಶೋ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಅದು ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ನಾವು ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಷ್ಟೆ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆರ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ? Find the zeros of polynomial. Find zeros of polynomial. 3 marks question. And verify relationship between zeros and coefficients. Just now I told this 3 marks question ಇದೆ ಇದು. Polynomial is given to you 2x square minus 7x minus 15 p of x equal to. Okay, let's see how many minutes you will take. 10-15 it is. 10-15, do it fast. Sir, some tough questions, 2 or 3 marks questions we can do, sir. ನಿಸರ್ಗ ಬರುತ್ತೀರಮ್ಮ, ಟಫು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ನೋ ಇನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್. We'll finish the question paper, right? Let's not jump directly, right? We are near. Tough is coming on the way. We'll do. Don't worry, we'll do. Okay, so you know this? If you know this, then we'll skip this. Tough will also come, don't worry. Okay, let's take one from trigonometry then. Prove that 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta equal to cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. 3 marks. I'll write the questions now. Minus 3 by 2. 5 is correct. One more answer should be minus 3 by 2. Correct. X equal to minus 3 by 2 comma 5. Those are the zeros. Then you should do verification. Verification is alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. You should show here LHS equal to RHS. Then you should also do alpha beta equal to c by a. Here also you should do LHS equal to RHS. That's the verification part. Alpha beta are your zeros. Alpha is minus 3 by 2, beta is 5. These are, you will take and put it here, finish. This trigonometry question. How will you get this now? Or one more I'll write here. Prove that 1 plus 1 by tan square A 1 plus 1 by cot square A equal to 1 by sin square A minus sin to the power 4A. Sin square A minus sin to the power 4A. Okay, Nisarga, is it okay now? Especially this one. The upper one is easy actually, especially this one. This one is easy. Sir, we can multiply denominator and numerator with 1 minus cos to get 1 minus cos square sine. After multiplying, we will get in the form of a square sine. We can write a plus b the whole square. Rationalize. Rationalize this, you will get the answer. This you can rationalize. Yellow pen. Oh. Where is pen? Why pen is not? Rationalize this. Or you can take this and solve. See, you can do LHS equal to RHS. Or you can also do RHS equal to LHS. Anything. One hint I will give you. When, like how to decide whether to do from this side or this side. See more number of terms where are there. More number of terms where there. So here you can see more number of terms are here. So start with that. I'll show you, see. We'll take cosec theta minus cot theta whole square, right? Cosec theta. You can do otherwise also, but I am showing you something different. Cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. Correct? Now, what is cosec theta? 1 minus 1 by sin theta. Minus what is cot? Cos by sin. Cos theta by sin theta. Then LCM 1 minus cos theta. Here I have to square, right? 1 minus cos theta by sin theta whole square again. So we'll square the numerator separately and we'll square the denominator separately. Now what is sin square theta? Sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. What is this? 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. 2 times I will write. Now in the denominator, is it a square minus b square formula? Yes. Can I write 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta? Yes, I can write. What I have numerator 1 minus cos 1 minus cos. So these 1 minus cos 1 minus cos will go. What you are remaining with? 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta, which was your LHS. So you started from RHS and you are ending with LHS. This way also you can do. Hope you understood. Say yes immediately. Okay. Now we'll take this now. How will you do this? Here, where the more terms are, left side or right side? Where you have more number of terms, left or right? Left side. So start from left only. Can I write this as 1 plus cot square A? Can I write this as 1 plus tan square A? Can I write this as cosecant square A? Can I write this as secant square A? Can I write this as 1 by sin square A? Can I write this as 1 by cos square A? Following or not? Following or not? Can I write like this? Yes. Can I write like this? Yes, I can write like this. Next, look at the proof. Proof is sin square minus sin to the power 4. So take here 1 by sin square A and write this cos square A as one step extra I will write. Can I write this sin square A? Okay, 1 by sin square A I wrote. Now can I write this 1 by cos square A as 1 minus sin square A? Can I write like this? Now multiply 1 by sin square A minus sin to the power 4A. That's it. Steps clear? This step especially. This one. Okay. So next one, geometry. From circles from circle chapter there is a question. From circles there is a question. A quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. So there is a circle like this and one quadrilateral ABCD is drawn. Sir, not visible. Nisarga visible? I think visible it is. Nisarga not visible? Sir, last question, last two was not seen, sir. Okay. Okay, Janvi, you mean to say I am writing in this area, no? This area. That is not visible. Okay, I will not write that. It should become a habit that I should not write there. Or else I should remove off that this one only, image only. Better. Okay, ABCD. This is a quadrilateral which circumscribe this circle. Okay, what we have to prove is prove that AB plus CD will be equal to AD plus BC. We need to prove AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. Quickly tell me, easy or not? Easy or not? No. Okay. So here what you need to do, look at these lines you have over the circle. These lines you have over the circle. What are they? Are they not tangents? Are they not tangents? They are tangents. Yes sir, easy. Okay, Nisarga easy. Do it Nisarga then. Yes, tangents drawn from external point are equal. Let's name these points. Nisarga, you do. P, Q, R and S, like this. Now I will simply write what? AP equal to AS from this point, this side and this side. From every point left, right. From B, BP, BQ. BP equal to BQ. Then from C, left, right. CQ equal to CR. Then last, DR equal to DS. 1, 2, 3, 4. Add this. Add above. Add above. Sir, it's NCERT question, sir. So we have solved once. Okay. Add above. Add all these. So how will you add, Janvi? Janvi, how will you add? You should add the left row left side, right row right side, and keep the equal sign between. Sir, it's easy only, sir. When you said I will remove my video for that. No, sir, don't remove. Okay. Okay, then we'll take next. This is very easy question. Okay, prove that parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. You have to prove that the parallelogram, you should start with parallelogram and end up with rhombus. You know how to do? You need to start with same question like this only. This parallelogram, don't go on a figure, just understand. Parallelogram, end up with rhombus. Rhombus means what? You should show 4 sides equal. AB, BC, CD, DA. You need to prove. This is what you need to prove. Then it will be what? Rhombus. Same question. Same like this only. Same. So you can take this as A, B, C, D. I'll just show you how to do. And P, Q, R, S. Again you will write, first you will write AB equal to CD. And you will write BC equal to AD. Why? Parallelogram. Opposite sides will be same. Parallelogram. AB, BC, CD. What you are asking, Janvi? AB, BC, CD. We should prove. Yes, correct. AB, BC, CD, DA you should prove. Okay, I wrote here AB equal to CD, BC equal to AD. Why? Parallelogram, that's why. Opposite sides will parallel and equal. 1 and 2. Call these 1 and 2. Then equate all the tangents. Same way. AP equal to AS. Then BP equal to BQ. then CQ equal to CR, then DR equal to DS. That's it. Okay, and add all this again, same way it works. You want me to do in detail or we'll go to the next? Same as first question we can do now, sir. Yes, you can do. Okay, find the shaded region. Find area of shaded region. Shaded region. Where is shaded region? It's coming. Wait. It is coming. This is shaded. Only this part is shaded. Not that upper part also. Huh? Only this is shaded. Okay. Here the angle is a 60 degree. Inside here 60 degree angle is. Radii of the circles are 2 and 5. Radii are 2, 5. Radii are 2, 5. 2 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Radii of the circle. Find the area of the shaded region. So is it not sector? Sector, right? Sector. So area of sector 1 will be theta by 360 into pi r square, means the bigger sector I am talking about. Then area of sector 2, which is theta by 360 into pi r square, small. First one is big and this one is small. We just need to minus this, that's all. These two we need to get the answer here, subtract this. Tell me the answer. How much you will get? Correct. Eleven centimeters square, correct. Correct. Next, prove that 10 plus 2 root 3 is an irrational. Pakka question idu. Irrationality pakka, no doubt. Prove that 10 plus 2 root 3 is irrational given that root 3 is rational ante. Given root 3 is irrational. Easy or no? Sir, I have a doubt in this, sir. Okay, let's do this. Okay, see, first of all, whatever number is given to you, consider that as a rational number first. Assumption, assuming it as a rational number. Always, first step, consider the given number as rational. Assume, sir, in Saudi, they don't give us marks for not providing root 3 is irrational again. So that they didn't give us marks for not providing root 3 is irrational again. Irrational again. So I did not get it. What? Like you had solved a question and you were not given a marks? So in Sahodaya, they didn't give us marks for not providing root 3 is irrational again. Given root 3 is irrational. Okay, anyway, whatever it is, simply take the given number as rational first. Equate is rational. We just said root 3 is irrational. But again in the question we had prove it in the way we solved root 2 is irrational. You need to prove, like you just cannot write the statement root 3 is irrational and all. Okay, Janvi, exactly I am not getting what you are talking about. I will call you after the class. We'll clear this doubt, don't worry. We'll call you and talk to you. Same here, sir. Question 3. Oh, 3 root 2. Question was 3 minus root 2, or was it like this? Or it was like this? 3 minus root 2. Okay, okay. Okay. We'll call you. I'll talk to you. Don't worry. So how will you do? First, you consider this as a rational. Process, you know process. How to do process? Process. Okay. If they haven't taught, then it's not your mistake. Okay, this process I will tell you. See, first what you have to do, you are going to prove it as irrational. For that you need to assume it as a rational first. The given number, whatever they'll give. If they give you root 3, then assume it as rational first. If they give you 3 root 2, assume it as rational first. If they give you 3 plus root 2, assume it as rational first. First step. Or else they don't provide marks. Okay, anyway. So first you assume. Okay. Then what you have to do now, what is meant by rational? You all have studied, right? P by Q means rational. Rational number is in the form of P by Q. This you have studied when you were in 8th only. Equate that to P by Q. Okay. After that what you do, you simply need to keep root 3 left side here, and remaining these numbers you need to shift here. Just shift them. Under root whatever number will be there, that you keep one side. Remaining all you shift to the other side. Okay, after equating P by Q. So what will happen? First I will shift 10. So 2 root 3 P by Q minus 10. Then we'll multiply this Q to this, cross multiply. P minus 10Q by Q. Now I will shift this 2 now. 2 root 3. Shift this 2 now. So root 3 equal to P minus 10Q divided by 2Q. Divided by 2Q. P minus 10Q divided by 2Q. Any doubt here? Understood? Process. Simply ಈಗ ಮುಗೀತು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಇದು ಮುಗದೆ ಹೋಯ್ತದ ಈಗ. ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಅದು, ಗೇಮೇ ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಆದ್ರದ್ದು ಈಗ. Again I am writing that side. Oh my god. Wait. So what we have to do is 10 plus 2 root 3 equal to P by Q. Then 2 root 3 is equal to P by Q minus 10. Then Q multiply P minus 10Q divided by Q. 2 root 3. Then root 3 here only. 2 you shift. P minus 10q by 2q. Clear till here? That's it. After doing this, you will write a statement. What statement you will write? Root 3 is irrational. Root 3 is what? Irrational. But p minus 10q divided by 2q is rational, which is a contradictory statement, therefore our assumption is wrong. That implies what? 10 plus 2 root 3 must be irrational. These are the statements. First statement, root 3 is irrational but p minus q is rational. First statement, second statement, which is contradictory. Third statement. These three statements compulsory. Every question of this type we will write these statements. Tell me if you have any doubt here. Any doubt? We'll continue. Sir, what if root was negative? Same hange barutte. Wait, I will show you one more question. Can I remove this? Harsha ಏನಾಯ್ತು? Should we subtract whole equation with minus 1? Sir, we done only this much, sir. For that they didn't give marks. Kodabeku. That's it. This is the process. They should give. Okay, then you can prove the root 3 also as irrational. Adannu ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Here it was just this much. So, Nisara, they were asking you to prove the root 3 also. Nothing, sir. Move on to the next question. Okay, Harsha, okay. Okay, Janvi, if it is negative, say for example, this question only, 10 minus 2 root 3 equal to p by q. Don't do anything, just shift. That's all. Minus 2 root 3 you keep here. P by q minus 10 you take. Then p will be p minus 10q by q minus 2 root 3. Root 3 will be p minus 10q divided by minus 2q. This is rational and here this is irrational. So it is contradictory. Hence our assumption is wrong. Next AP question. Sum of first 8 terms of an AP is 100. Sum of first 8 terms of an AP is 100. And the sum of first 19 terms is 551. Yes, Janvi, I will solve. 1 second. I will solve. Got it. I got it, Janvi. What, Nisarga, I got it. I got it. Yes, yes, I got what you are saying. Then both you need to prove, aste. 8 terms of AP is 100. The sum of first 19 terms. First 19 terms. First 19 terms 551. Find sum of n terms. Find sum of first n terms. First n terms. Okay, start doing this. Janvi, see, 3 minus root 2 equal to what? P by Q. 3 equal to what? Root 2 you keep here only. Minus root 2 equal to P by Q minus 3. Multiply this Q here. P minus 3Q by 3. Then minus root 2. So you keep this negative here only, or you can just write root 2 equal to P minus 3Q divided by minus 3. This is rational and this is irrational. Not possible, right? Iste. Same way, or you can just keep minus root 2 also. Minus root 2 idru adu irrational ledu. Irrational it is. You can keep like that also, no problem. So Nisarga, you want me to explain how to prove root 3, root 5 such questions as irrational? Or you know? You guys know how to do those things or how it is? If you don't know, just send a message, we'll solve that also. Okay. Okay, sir, cleared. Nisarga, you know root 3, root 5, ಈ ಥರದ questions ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. root 2. You guys know how to do these? Sir, that we know, sir. Okay. You know, but you haven't done. You only did the main answer part, then you left proving that, so they did not give you marks. Okay, totally understood. Let's get back to this. Sum of first 8 terms is 100. Sum of first 19 terms is 551. So two statements you will write. Where it went? Where the question? Sum of 8 terms. 8 terms means, can I write directly? Harsha, D equal to 3. Correct. Find sum of first n terms. Still the question is there. First you should find out D, which will get 3. If you don't know, see, like first 8 terms alva, adike 8 by 2, 2a plus 8 minus 1 into D, one equation. So this will be 4 2a plus 7d. 100 equal ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲೂ 100 equal ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So 2a plus 7d equal to 25. ಒಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ 19 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂದವನೇ 19 by 2, 2a plus 19 minus 1d equal to 551. a plus 9d equal to 29 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದು. If you simplify, a plus 9d equal to 29 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. You have to solve these two. You will get d as 3. Simultaneous equations 1 and 2. You just need to solve. D equal to 3 you will get. After getting d equal to 3, find sum of first n terms. Again use the sum formula. You want me to wait or you will do it later? ಮೂವತ್ತ್ನಾಲ್ಕು ಇನ್ನೊಂದೆರಡು ಮೂರು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಓವರ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ 38ವರೆಗೂ. ಸ್ಟಾಪ್. D equal to 3 and A equal to 2. Correct. D equal to 3, A equal to 2. Then put it in the sum formula again. N by 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Just put it in this again. So N by 2, A is 2 into 2 plus N minus 1 into 3. Sn. So n by 2 4 plus 3n minus 3. N by 2 3n plus 1. Nisarga check. N by 2 3n plus 1. Yes, correct. N by 2 3n plus 1. Okay, next one more. Sum of first p terms is equal to sum of first q terms. Then show that sum of its p plus q terms equal to 0. P plus q terms is 0. P plus q terms you need to show 0. They have given you sum of first p equal to sum of first q. That means they have given you sq equal to sp or sp equal to sq, anything. Sp is equal to sq. What is this? P by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d equal to q by 2 2a plus, wherever n I have to write these letters. I just forgot here p will come here. P will come. So this much you will get. This to you cancel off. Just remove them. Or if you whatever, just remove. Okay. Then multiply this part. P into 2a plus pd minus d equal to uh, q into 2a plus qd minus q. Now multiply this p to all of them. 2ap p square d minus pd. Here 2aq plus q square d minus, what was this, d, right? This was qd, d it was, so this will be qd. Correct. So now I will take here 2a common. Okay, we can rearrange these terms. 2ap minus 2aq, I am just bringing these here, then plus p square d minus q square d, this went there, q square d minus pd and minus qd went there, plus qd. Tell me if this step is clear. Is the step clear? Okay, take common now. Take common. What will come common from this group, this group, this group? Whatever will come common, take that common. 2a will come common, p minus q, plus here d will come common, p square minus q square. Then here d will come common, minus d we will take common, minus d. Okay, then I will write p minus q inside equal to 0. This last step you just see later. I just arranged the minus sign there only. Oh, again I am writing this side. Ayyo. Big headache. Wait. I'll just put all this. Oh my god, what happened? 2ap minus 2aq plus p square d minus q square d minus pd plus qd equal to 0. 2a common, p minus q plus d common, p square minus q square minus d common, p minus q equal to 0. Yes. Uh, 2a plus p plus q, hence n by 2 0. Correct. Now look at this. Can you take p minus q common? P minus q you take common. P minus q common. So what will remain? Here 2a will remain. Plus here d into p plus q will remain. And here minus d will remain equal to 0. Any doubt in this step? P minus q common. So strike out p minus q, write the remaining thing from the first term. Second term, here 2a written, Here what happened, actually this can be written as p plus q, p minus q. P minus q went out, p plus q is still here. Then this p plus q went, d is here. Now how this is looking like? 2a plus d into p plus q minus d equal to 0. This full p minus q comes here 0 by p minus q, which is again 0. Okay, Harsha, what happened? See, I will come back once again. I'll come back once again, don't worry. Ega, till here we got to know how we did. Now I am seeing here p minus q is common everywhere. P minus q common here also, here also. So I will write p minus q outside. Who is remaining? 2a. Okay. 2a plus d into p plus q, then here minus d equal to 0. This whole thing comes here divided by p minus q, means that is 0. Now look at this. What is this? Is it not s of p plus q? Is it not sum of first p plus q terms? Yes. Okay, we'll stop here. It's 11:05. Oh my god. Okay, we'll stop and we'll continue tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll have maybe 9 a.m. to 10 to 12. We'll keep it 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. afternoon. So have your breakfast and get ready. I will also finish my morning classes. Like morning 6 to 9 and all I will have class. So after 9 I should have my breakfast and all. So by 10 we will start. Then again after afternoon again, like 2 p.m. to till night 9 p.m. I will have classes. So 10 to 12 I am free. We'll give it to you those 2 hours. We'll finish this question paper. Another 2-3 questions are there. We did till 33rd main. 33 over. Another 5 questions are left out in this. Roger. Yes, Roger that. Okay then, bye bye. Take care. Good night. All 3. Yes. Good night. Work hard 2 months. Come on. Yes. Did you see the video today? That video? I had put one video today. Change your thinking before it's too late. Nisarga, how you felt? How was the video? Which part was very good for you in that video, Nisarga? Maybe you have not watched it. Yes, Harsha, good night. Nisarga, thank you, sir. Good night. Janvi, I saw, sir. We'll watch it, sir. Harsha, you should watch. Harsha, it's very good. Yes, sir, we saw it. So, what you felt good, Nisarga? Was there anything related to you? It was like the video was meant Meant for me almost full videos. No, no, that everyone will relate to that. Same thought process is going on for everyone. Janvi, what about you? Was there anything for you in that? Janvi might have liked that stage. Who wasted this time? You, right? Take it. Take the responsibility. That part you might have liked, Janvi. And I had used one more sentence, I removed it actually. I had used one more sentence there, I removed it, thinking that no, that will be. I had used like, you have slept lot now, don't sleep, come on, wake up now, like that. You have slept a lot, don't sleep now. That was that, this one is there, no? Where is that? Like I'll say, don't roam, you have roamed so much. There only this sentence was there. Don't sleep, you have slept a lot anta. All students are same, even I was also students once upon a time, so I know the psychology completely. That's why I know what you people will be thinking, what kind of pressure you have, everything I know, don't worry. That's why I have, like, I'm trying to help you guys how much ever I can, right? Okay, good night. And Nisarga, don't worry, never worry, just focus on scoring 100 out of 100. Now whoever in this class, no, all three, you all three are capable, you all three are capable, 100 out of 100, you all three are capable. Harsha, I am okay, okay. Philosophy. Understand the philosophy. Bye bye, take care, love you all, thank you so much. You guys are very hardworking, God will bless you all.